What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Thank you. It's just good to see you guys. So as I promised a while back when I changed the channel name from Exotic Whips TV to my personal name, more of a personal channel, I said I'd be bringing more of a variety of videos to the channel. For many reasons. One, it's hard to produce car content when it's not your only job and when it's not your sole job and when you make no money from it. So it's hard to produce car content daily or frequently when you have to buy car parts, tracking the car. I'll make a video on this, but man, it goes through tires, it goes through a bunch of things. A bunch of consumables go into tracking a car. So as I promised before, I wanted to do a variety of videos just to be able to produce a little more steady stream of content. And a lot of the people that I spoke to, oh, Taco Truck! I've been waiting to find you, Taco Truck. I gotta go back there. Anyway, so a variety of content. One of the things I touched on before was how I make money, work from home type stuff, because I've been doing internet marketing for the past, man, almost going on 15 years now. We'll call it 13 years. I've been doing internet marketing since before people knew what internet marketing was. Way before it was popular. I started off doing affiliate marketing way before anyone knew what affiliate marketing was. And I'm not like saying, oh, good job me. I'm just saying, back when I started doing affiliate marketing, I had to explain what affiliate marketing was. So real quick, I already filmed most of the video. If you're new to the channel, this isn't my normal type of video. I do a lot more with cars and that type of stuff. But this is something a lot of guys have asked for, and I've said that I would be doing videos like this. So if you're new to the channel, I don't always do videos like this, but if you're interested, drop a comment, smash that subscribe button, because I can put out a lot more videos like this. But again, this isn't the regular type of video. But anyway, I'll get back to what I was saying in depth. And it was funny because a lot of the guys I would talk to, they wouldn't even say affiliate marketing because people just look at them with this blank face and say, I have no idea what you're talking about. So a lot of guys would say, I just don't even tell people what I do anymore. Nowadays, everyone knows what affiliate marketing is. Everyone's mother, daughter, son has an e-commerce store. Everyone is an affiliate for something. It's much more common. So you guys will get the gist of what that is. I started off doing affiliate marketing, and I did that for probably 3 to 4 years-ish, somewhere around there. And affiliate marketing is great. You basically get paid to push someone else's product, to push someone else's company, something like that. When I say push, I mean generate sales, generate leads, generate traffic, etc. So easy example would be, I have this water bottle, and I want to produce a water bottle, but I don't know how to get sales. I reach out to you and say, hey, for every sale you get of this water bottle, I'll give you $1. And you go out and you get me 100 sales and you earn $100. So that would be affiliate marketing. You would be the affiliate. So I started doing that, and before we get too much further, I'm not going to show you screenshots. I'm not going to show you supercars. I'm not going to show you bank statements. I'm not doing this to try and be a guru. I hate that. More so, I'd like to just give this information out for free to help people. But if screenshots and supercars and Lambos are what you're looking for, you're not going to find it. And if that's what you're looking for in a video about starting your own business, and that's what you think it's going to take to get you motivated to do it, then you're probably not going to do it anyway. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if starting this stuff on your own, it takes action. That's it. There's going to be a lot of guys and a lot of videos that say you need to do this and you need to wait and do this and read this and buy that book and buy this course. at the end of the day, it takes action, and you have to try doing things, and you're going to fail, and you're going to fail a bunch. And I, for the entire time I've been doing this, my whole thing is the faster I can fail, the quicker I'll learn what doesn't work. And the faster I can X that path off and say, okay, that didn't work, here's why it didn't work, let's try and figure out what to do instead. You're going to fail a ton, and it just takes action, consistency and persistency. So, based on the title of this video, let's see. Anyway, so I did affiliate marketing, then I moved into kind of having my own singular offers, and when I say singular offers, I would basically make a product page and sell a singular product. And then I transitioned from that to e-commerce. So I do a lot of stuff on, Shopify, on Amazon, on Walmart, on eBay, all the e-commerce platforms. And I've been doing that for ever since. I've probably been doing e-commerce for the past 7 years now, ish, something like that. And one of the things I always see, always, is one secret to starting a business online, one secret to earning $100 a day. Here's a risk-free method of how you can start off making $10 a day, $100 a day, etc., etc. And those always piss me off. And the reason they piss me off, I've watched a bunch of them. I always dive into those. I love seeing those. Not to get their one tip or their one trick, but more so to see what they're really doing to monetize that. Because all those things you see there, if it's too good to be true, it is too good. So they're trying to sell you something. There's not going to be a foolproof way to making your $100 or making your $5, because if there is, there'd be a guy who is smart enough to figure out how to scale that to $1,000 to $5,000 to $10,000 a day, and they wouldn't be giving it away for free. That's just the way it is. There's always an agenda, and that's what I enjoy. I watch a lot of the courses that people try and pitch, and for me, since I've been doing it for so long, you can kind of spot what they're doing. Most of the time, more often than not, it's nothing sneaky. They're trying to pitch their software, they're trying to pitch their ebook, they're trying to pitch their paid forum, they're trying to pitch their video series, they're trying to be a guru. That's more often than not, that's what it is. And for some of those, it's fine, because a lot of those guys have a lot of knowledge, and you're paying for their knowledge. The pitch, the gateway into their pitch of easy way to make this or a risk-free way of doing that, that's just them being a salesman. That is what it is. But most of the time, you're paying for their knowledge. The good ones. The bad ones, they just are trying to pitch you a system that's outdated and won't work. And I mean, that's the truth behind most of them. So the reason I titled this The One Secret to any online business, and more so it's just any business, and it's not a secret, but it's funny because you very rarely hear these gurus and guys with all these courses mention this. At least right out of the gate, you very rarely hear them mention it. Literally, the one secret to starting any online business, any business in general, but I'll focus on online business, is traffic. You have to have traffic. Internet space is just like brick and mortars, just like any other store. You need eyeballs. You need the traffic to come in. If you don't have traffic and you don't have people visiting your website, visiting your e-commerce store, visiting whatever it is, you're not going to get sales. I don't care what it is. You just won't. You won't get sales. You won't get leads. You won't get email addresses. Whatever it is you're looking for, you won't get it unless you have traffic. Now, the next logical question is, how do I get traffic? Myself, for the past 13 to 15 years, I've always focused on paid traffic. So I will post ads on Google AdWords, on Bing, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on all these different traffic sources, native ads, Yahoo, all of them. I'll post ads there and I'll pay for clicks. So whenever you see an ad in like on Yahoo's homepage and you see it says sponsored above something, that means someone paid to put that ad there. And every time you click it, that person gets charged. Okay, so that is paying for traffic. Every time you see banners on the side of websites or in the middle of articles and you click those and it takes you somewhere, unless that's part of the content of the page, more often than not, that's an ad. Someone has paid to put that there, paid to get that in front of your eyeballs. So if you don't have money to do that, the next way you get traffic is to build some sort of following. And right now, in my opinion, the best way to do that is Instagram and YouTube, and probably TikTok, but I haven't messed with TikTok. But all it takes is traffic. So if you're on a budget and you don't have the money to spend on AdWords or to spend buying traffic, and you have something that you want to sell, or you don't even know what you want to sell, but you know that you want to do something more than what you're doing. You want to build an e-commerce store, or you don't even know what you want to do, but take my channel, for example. This is a great example of this. I don't know how I'm going to monetize this in the future, but what I do know is at some point when I have enough traffic, there will be ways to monetize it. And hopefully it is for the benefit of everyone. I don't want to pitch something that no one's going to want and you guys are like, oh, this guy's a sellout. I want to monetize it in a way that's like, oh, this is dope. I'm glad I followed this guy because I like what he's pushing. I like what he's selling. I like what he's doing. So if you don't have the money for paid ads, the next logical thing and the easiest way is, now it's not easy, don't get me wrong, it's not easy, but is to build up a following or a community of some sort. That just has to be done. Now, if you're not comfortable getting in front of the camera, I don't personally like being in front of the camera, but it's for me, it's a way. It's the best way to grow what I want to grow. But if you're not comfortable getting in front of the camera, then you have to start posting on IG. If you're into fishing, which I'm into, but I don't do that all the time. I do car stuff more often than not. But if you're into fishing, post fishing stuff all the time and build up that following. Even if you're not monetizing it, even if you're not making any money off of it, but it's not costing you anything, eventually you will be able to build up enough of a following to where you can say, hey, I launched this website with this product, or check out my blog, and you can put ads on your blog that get you paid. There's a million ways to monetize things, and there's a million ways to make money off things. But first things first, you always need the traffic. That's just it. You need the eyeballs. You need people to be looking at what you're doing. Even if you're not making money, that is the number one thing you need. So I can dive way more into this if you guys are interested in it. I can go into traffic sources. I can go into how to build traffic sources. I can go into monetization. There's a million things that I can go into with this. Let me know if you're interested and you want more videos on this type of stuff. Again, it's a very, very deep rabbit hole to go down, and there's a million things that you can do for it. But the number one thing I see, I've tried to help personally, I would say 50 people at least, and I would say maybe 1% of those people actually take action. Regardless of what it is, that is the first thing you do, is take action. Even if you don't know what to do, doing anything is better than doing nothing. If you don't know what to do, then just start posting on some traffic source. Start trying to build up any form of following, because that will result in potential eyeballs. It doesn't have to be paid. It doesn't have to be a tremendous amount of people. You just have to start somewhere. So anyway, guys, I hope that's a good explanation for this. But again, the whole secret to how to make money and how to do things, and it's no different. And I know this is very, very elementary and very novice, but I just wanted to start here, kind of at the foundation, to see if you guys are interested in it. But again, it's all about eyeballs and traffic. There are a million ways to get those eyeballs and a million ways to get that traffic. But if you're interested, let me know. Smash the like button if you found this useful. Drop a comment if you want me to dive deeper into this. I got a lot more stuff with the E36 coming. Good track content. And let me know what you think about this. You want more? You want me to dive deeper into this? You want tutorials? Just let me know what you guys are looking for in this topic. Because again, I can go very deep into this. So smash that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.